Hello! Welcome muli sa Man Tutorial video series at nasa episode 2 na tayo. Episode 2? This video gives practical guides for our Man ministers and volunteers and maybe gatiting na information to anyone else that watches this video. So, if di nyo pa napapanood ang Man Tutorial 101, which is the overview video, I suggest na yun muna ang panoodin natin. Ngayong araw, it's about turning stuff on. Imagine mo na lang na it's a Sunday morning, and ikaw yung unang tao dito sa church. Marami tayong bubuhayin, and the order matters. Example dyan is, if binuhay nyo agad yung speakers and power amplifiers natin, without turning the mixer on first, it can damage the speakers. Or turning on the UPS without checking kung nakasaksak ba siya sa wall outlet, hindi natin namalayan na yun pala, mid-service mamamatay yung ating PC, mamamatay yung ating mixer, and all the other things na nakakonect sa ating UPS. And that could produce big distractions and setbacks, and also possible damage din sa ating mga equipments na nakasaksak sa UPS. So, for the best and smoothest way para maayos ang lahat, ito ang order kung paano natin bubuhayin ang ating mga gamit. First, check natin if nakasaksak na lahat ng need isaksak sa mga wall outlets natin. In our case, on this side of the church, meron tayong isang 14-gauge wire na extension para sa ating main UPS. Pero in the long run, para lang talaga ito sa mixer natin. And the other extension is for our power amplifiers. And once that is plugged in, ang una muna nating bubuhayin is ang ating UPS to power the mixer and the power bay na nakalagay sa ating tech booth para ito sa mga mics natin and other UPS. So, after nating mabuksan ang ating main UPS, if hindi niya nabuksan agad ang ating UPS na pang PC, then we can turn the UPS on. Katabi lang naman siya nung ating PC, so pipindutin lang natin to. And then, next is the mixer. We always need to power the mixer first. After nating mabuksan ang mixer, and once it's done cycling, next nating ibubuhayin is our power amplifiers. Take note na if we are powering on and powering off the power amplifiers, make sure na nakababa ang volume nito. We don't want that kasi mga power amplifiers to, it's important na nakababa ang volume lagi. So, BM audio goes first, and then yung Magus, and then habang nagpapainit ito, or once it's cycling, once it's power cycling, next natin is on the stage side, saksak din natin ang ating dalawang active speakers. At gaya ng sa power amplifiers natin, baba muna din natin yung main volume bago natin ito i-power on or i-power off. Next ay ang ating HDMI to LAN extender. So, ito siya. Yan. Sinaksak natin siya. Then, next nyan is ang ating stage lights. Meron tayong konting stage lights. Konting-konti lang. Madali lang siya i-power on. So, yun. Punta naman tayo dito sa ating mga house switches. Meron dito isang switch na dedicated lang to turn on the main TV. Then, saksak natin itong outlet na to para naman sa ating stage screen. Once all of that is turned on, in this drawer, may makikita tayong 2 remotes. Hindi naman tayo malilito since magkaiba ng brand ang ating TV. So, one is for the other and one is for the other. Obvious naman at may mga brands. So, our main screen is TCL. So, yun. TCL, baka naman. And our stage screen is a Samsung. So, Samsung, baka naman. Now, once all of that is on, we turn off the volume on our speakers, on our power amplifiers. Sa ating mga active, we put it sa 0 dB position, or in this case, yung kasagaran. And sa ating power amplifiers, yung BM audio sagad, tapos yung ating Magus, we have a certain level lang. Makikita natin dito. Toot! The reason why we do that is, unang-una, meron naman tayong volume control sa ating mixer. So, there's that. Pang ano lang natin siya, pang headroom lang natin siya. Ganon. After all of that is done, balik tayo sa ating tech booth. Dito natin makikita ang ating mahiwagang tablet. So, na-set up ko na yan to automatically turn on and off. Pero if it's not already turned on, bubuhayin lang natin dito. And if hindi na bubuhay, ibig sabihin nun, hindi natin yan na-charge. So, charge lang natin. And dahil ito ay public video, bawal kong isiwalat dito ang password ng ating tablet and PC. So, yon. Pero, dahil ikaw naman ay volunteer here dito sa church, we will make sure na mabibigay namin sa yung password and marirelay namin to sa iyo for you to access it. Once unlocked, make sure na connected ang ating mixer sa mixer hotspot natin. And once that is okay, you should see an icon up there that looks like this. Yon, screenshot yon. And open it up. Once na ma-open natin yun, it will directly lead you to the mixer page. Next, unlock natin si PC. And again, public video. So, you will have the password. Po-provide namin yan para sa'yo. That's it! You now successfully powered on the entire system natin dito sa church. Medyo maraming kailangan tandaan at alalahanin. Pero sa simula lang yan. Over time, makakasanayan mo at mani-mani na lang yan sa'yo. So, stay tuned sa ating next video. Coming up.